يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا نودي للصلاة من يوم الجمعة فاسعوا إلى ذكر الله وذروا البيع ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون.
O you who believe, when the call for the prayer is proclaimed on Friday, hasten for the remembrance of Allah and leave off businesses. That is much better for you if you but know.
فإذا قضيت الصلاة فانتشروا في الأرض وابتغوا من فضل الله واذكروا الله كثيرا لعلكم تفلحون.
Then once the salah is over, disperse in the land and seek the grace of Allah and remember Allah abundantly so that you may be successful.
وَإِذَا رَأَوْا تِجَارَةً أَوْ لَهْوًا انفَضُّوا إِلَيْهَا وَتَرَكُوكَ قَائِمًا قُلْ مَا عِندَ اللَّهِ خَيْرٌ مِّنَ اللَّهْوِ وَمِنَ التِّجَارَةِ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الرَّازِقِينَ.
And when they see some merchandise or amusement, they break away to it and leave you a profit standing by yourself. Say, what is with Allah is much better than the amusement and the merchandise, and Allah is the best giver of sustenance.